Hello guys, everybody wants to become popular, but what all do you need to become popular? Why do you want to become popular and what does popular actually mean? So let us see what all you need to become popular. The very first thing that is important is your attitude. Yes, a positive attitude. Positive attitude in a person makes you more likable and you're liked by more and more people. That's correct. A positive attitude in a person makes you more likable. More and more people will like you for being positive. Your positive attitude will always attract people towards you. That's right. So this is the first quality. Let us talk about the second quality. The second quality is personality. Now, what do you mean by personality? Does it mean that you have to look very beautiful or very handsome or good looking? So let us see. Personality is not just good looks. Personality includes a few things like manners. The second is etiquettes. The third one is conversation skills, the way you speak to others. The outlook. Outlook means what is your perception of things? How do you look at things? Now, the third quality. The third is joyful and humorous. If you're always happy, joyful and humorous, you will be liked by people. Now, what do you mean by this? Happy people are liked by all. We all know that. Cheerful people are more popular. The more you are cheerful, the more you are liked by others. Smiling faces make friends easily. Obviously, a person who has a smiling face will always be liked by other people and you'll make friends more easily. The next one is smile makes you look more attractive. Yes, you seem to look more likable, more good looking when you have a smile on your face. And happy people face problems with ease because it becomes your attitude. You always have a positive attitude when you tend to remain happy. So this is how you'll make more friends and they make others happy. So when you are always happy, when you are joyful, you'll make others also happy. So this is the third most important quality. Let us talk about the fourth quality. Yes, the fourth quality is helpful. If you are helpful, if you are kind, it's very important. Be helpful and then unconditional help is cherished by all. Unconditional means without any motive, without any expectation. You don't expect that if I help this person, the next time I'll also get help. No, your help should be unconditional. That should be in your nature. The third one is it creates strong bonds. When you go on helping people, it will create strong bonds. Makes you trustworthy. Trustworthy means people will start trusting you. People will start believing you. That is really very important. So when people start trusting you, it will always make good friend circle. So being helpful is the fourth most important quality that you should have. And makes you approachable. Makes you approachable means people will not hesitate in approaching you. They'll know that this is a very helpful person. I can talk to this person. And this is how people will approach you and they will seek help from you. Next, the next most important quality that is required to become popular is stand for the right things. Now, what are the right things? Favor the right things. The right things means you should have the courage to say, this is right, this is wrong. You should not judge others. Don't say that this person is right or that person is wrong. You don't have any right to judge others. Have the courage to say the right things. Yes, if you see something happening in front of you which is not right, you should straight away say, yes, this is not right. Encourage your friends to stand up for the right cause. If you always encourage your friends and make them tell them that yes, this is the right thing, we should stand for this, definitely you'll become more popular. The next important quality is be yourself. Be original. Don't try to pretend. Pretend means don't try to show what you are not. Because it is easier to be honest and true. Yes, when you are honest and true, this is one big important quality that everybody will like. And don't try to be what you are not. Don't try to show people that you are something else. No. Try to be yourself. People will like you just the way you are. Like how Taylor Swift has said, just be yourself, there is no one better. So this is one important quality. Next, the next most important quality is your strong character. Yes, you have to be the best version of you. You have to follow your ideals and ethics. What do you mean by ideals and ethics? Ideals means values. The things which you feel are right should be followed. Have a strong character. These are the qualities which will build a strong character. Honesty, humility. Yes, of course. Honesty, then you will have humility. Strength. Now, what do you mean by strength? Strength is not physical strength. Strength is your mental strength. How strong you are mentally. Kindness. That we have already said that you have to have helpful nature, but you need to have a lot of kindness. Because when you have kindness, people tend to start liking you. The next important quality that a person needs to have to become popular is be a good listener. Yes. Now, what do you mean by being a good listener? Don't interrupt when others are speaking. One very important thing that you have to keep in mind, you shouldn't interrupt when others are speaking. The second most important thing is don't let others feel ignored. Yes. If somebody is talking to you, listen to them. How do you listen to them? Improve your social listening skills. Social listening skills means when you are in a gathering or when you are standing with somebody, when you are with somebody, you should have this habit of listening to others. And the most important thing, when you are listening, show it by nodding an affirmatory gesture. Yes, when you are listening to somebody, that person should feel that yes, you are listening to that person. You can nod your head or you can just give an affirmatory gesture. Yes, I am listening to you. And people would love to talk to you if you are a good listener. Very, very important. People would definitely love to listen to you, talk to you if you are a good listener. Next is very important, become good at something. What do you mean by becoming good at something? It means that you have to develop a skill, a good quality within yourself. Skilled people tend to attract positive attention. Yes, suppose you are a very good guitar player. Definitely people would love to look at you, to make friends with you. Suppose you are a very good speaker. Suppose you recite beautiful poems. Suppose you are a very beautiful singer. Yes, any kind of skill will attract attention. Practice and get better at something you like. And for that, it is really very important that you practice and get better. If you feel that you have some skill with you, polish your skill. Practice and get better. So that when you have your skill very nicely, that everybody would love to become your friend. And personal development is Yes, definitely personal development is very important. If you enhance your personality, if you have some good skills, if you are developed as a friend, as a person, people would love to interact with you. Next, very important, think before you speak. Yes, think before you speak is one important thing. Why? You should mind your words. You should speak very thoughtfully. First think and then speak. The second thing is you have to mind your language. Mind your language means the kind of language that you use with others should be very polished and gentle. Don't criticize others. It's very easy to criticize and point out others, but never do that. If you disagree with someone, be respectful. Everybody has his or her own opinion. So if you disagree with somebody, you should be respectful and respect the opinions of others rather than just putting up a fight with them. Avoid expressing negative opinions unless asked. If you feel that something is not good or somebody is not doing right, you should avoid expressing negative opinions until and unless you are very gently asked about it. And give others space to think for themselves. You cannot just always interfere with what others are doing. Give them space and let them think for themselves. Next, a very important thing. Don't try to become popular. Though I have given you all the tips to become popular, but I would rather say don't try to become popular. Why? Because if you try to inculcate these qualities, you won't have to make efforts to become popular. You should not make efforts to become popular. Inculcate these qualities and you will not have to make any efforts to become popular. You will become popular on your own. People will start loving you. That's it. So, if you have liked what I have tried to tell you, then please like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe it so that I can come up with some nice videos again. So, have a nice day and thank you.